What's up? John D won the free spot yesterday. Did all right in the division break. Giving back. Dansby Swanson in a Braves uniform. Auto. Picture, maybe. Nice gesture by John. Right there is the card. So we'll take this live. The dice roll. No snake eyes. There's the full list right there. Took John's name out of it. 11:14 a.m. Central Time. 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Money shot. Tim Califano. Congrats, brother. You were getting a Dansby Atlanta Uni 2016 Bowman Chrome Auto from John. Very nice gesture, John. You the man. Thank you. 7:14.